Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the Andhra Pradesh places to visit. Also post your favorite places to visit in Andhra Pradesh in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India, and if you're looking forward to visit Andhra Pradesh in the near future but confused about what are the best places to go in Andhra Pradesh, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding what are the must-visit places in Andhra Pradesh. Blessed with two beautiful rivers, Krishna and Godavari, Andhra Pradesh has the Bay of Bengal to its west, and it boasts of a coastline of 972 kilometers, the longest in the country. This state is widely advertised as the Kohinoor of India by the Tourism Department. The state is most visited for its world-famous Tirupati temple. Considered an important tourism attraction for all kinds of travelers, Andhra Pradesh is a state in South India. Ruled by the art and entertainment-loving Nawabs, Andhra has an abundance of marvels initiated by its past rulers. From the capital city Hyderabad to the coastal region of Visakhapatnam, you can find several places to visit in Andhra Pradesh that are considered to be tourist attractions. Top 5 best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh. Here are some of the top most popular tourist places in Andhra Pradesh that you must include on your next Andhra Pradesh tour. Number 1 on the list of best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam. Probably one of the most beautiful coastal cities in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam is a place that every nature lover should visit. Fondly called Vizag, this city is not only a beach destination in Andhra, but a land with vivid landscape. Lakes, beaches, caves, valleys and hill ranges all make Visakhapatnam a must-visit place in Andhra Pradesh. Apart from natural splendors, Vizag is enriched with architectural grandeurs. The spiritual centers, or temples, are the best specimen of the architecture in the city. Best time to visit Visakhapatnam is between October to March. Number 2 on the list of best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh is Tirupati. Famed for its temple, Tirupati is the popular spiritual hub in Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati is in the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, and it houses the famous Hindu temple of Sri Venkateswara that is frequented by millions of devotees each year. Apart from temples, Tirupati is known for red wooden toys, and it is also a major educational center in the state. Apart from the temples, there are various other attractions like parks and zoos. Best time to visit Chittoor is between September to March. Number 3 on the list of best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh is Vijayawada. Located on the bank of Krishna River, Vijayawada is known for its luscious mangoes, tasty sweets, and beautiful spring season. The city is also famed for having the largest railway junction in South India. Once an important town during the Vijayanagara kingdom, Vijayawada is replete with heritage edifices and natural splendors like caves and hills, and is one of the must-see places in Andhra Pradesh. Best time to visit Vijayawada is throughout the year. Number 4 on the list of best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh is Chittoor. One of the most beautiful districts, Chittoor is a popular place to visit in Andhra Pradesh. Rich in flora and fauna, and having copious historic significance, Chittoor certainly is an epic land in the state. It is to be mentioned that Chittoor has some of the richest temples in the world, and this district has a perfect blend of various elements to satisfy people of spiritual, religious, and artistic mindset. Best time to visit Chittoor is between November to April. Number 5 on the list of best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh is Nellore. Nellore boasts of an incredible spiritual and religious legacy in Andhra Pradesh. Having significance as a historic center, Nellore is probably one of the places that might intrigue every history buff. At Nellore, the evidences available with regard to its contribution to arts and literature since prehistoric times highlight its rich cultural past. Also, the city is known for the production of ores such as mica and lime, and agriculture production of rice. The city is also admired for aquaculture and delicious sweets like malai khaja and the babatlu. Best time to visit Nellore is between October to March. So, which is your favorite place among the best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh? Andhra Pradesh has abundant scope of beach tourism. It is the second longest coastline in the country after Gujarat. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite places to visit in Andhra Pradesh in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.